Students who join us for the week will learn directly under University of Kentucky professors and faculty, gain knowledge about current events and real issues that affect our lives. They'll gain immeasurable skills in researching, writing, communication, public speaking, and they're going to make a ton of friends and have a lot of fun along the way. Our instructors are some of the best in the nation, with state and national coaches with over decades of experience in speech and debate. Our staff know how to create a safe and educational learning environment.